The new Spring-Summer Starter Kit from Chalk Couture is here, and it is ready for you to start your creative journey as a designer. It's just $99 US or $129 Canadian plus shipping to start your own designership with this product-packed, idea-inspiring kit. The kit is loaded with more than $240 in US retail value, and it includes everything you need to start smart. Create artwork just like this. Use product for paste demos and hold workshops for family and friends. Here's what's included in your kit just for spring 2020. You get all these great business supplies to support you, plus our amazing new catalog. 5 jars of paste in our happiest spring colors. 7 versatile transfers, including this month's exclusive Chalk Couture transfer. It is so cool, I can't even show you here. Plus, a squeegee and our most popular surfaces. With enrollment, you also get 1 month of your personal e-commerce website and access to a huge gallery of social media images, marketing materials, training on products, and more. You've heard about Chalk Couture, and you have wondered if it is all that. Well, it is, and more, and we want you to experience the fun, the friendship, the flexibility, and the potential for yourself. Talk to your independent designer and join Chalk Couture today.